Just a quick video today. For your regular bike you can get all sort of bike stands, but for your mama bike with the kid seats and groceries you want something that can stand by itself. There are so many options, but this is absolutely the best. Don't need to test, just buy, put it on and forget about it. It's the Jumbo Ursus double kick bike stand. It can hold up to 100 kilograms, so it can take a bike, groceries and a small child. Don't leave the child unattended, of course. It comes with two screws, one long, one short, depending on your bike, and a mounting plate. And what I like about this stand is that it vents out when you open the stand, and when you close the stand, it will fold back in just like that. Installing it is really easy. Remove the old bolt, remove your old stand, put on the mounting plate, use the right length screw, bolt it down, and you're done. If you lack the strength to lift up your bike, place your foot on the stand and push it forward to close it. Push your bike back to open it. I like this stand so much that I installed it for all our bikes. Thanks for watching.